Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will study how to find out the number of tokens from the given code. So this is part of the first phase only, that is the lexical analyzer. Now let's understand few codes and find out the number of tokens in the given code. So let's take this example. In this code, what we have to do is we have to actually, place the whole code into different type of tokens that we have studied earlier, whether it is a key, whether it comes under keyword or in operator or in a separator. Like this you have to identify. Now if I see integer will come as a keyword, so this is the first uh, token. Then main is again a part of keyword, so this is the second token. Then the starting bracket and the ending bracket both are the part of the separators. So this is third and fourth token. Then again, this starting curly bracket is the part of the separator. Those this is also the fifth token. Now this whole line or statement is a comment, and comment will be eliminated while you are finding the number of tokens. Then again integer, which is a keyword, is the sixth token. Then a, which is identifier, is the seventh token. Then this assignment is an operator, which is the eighth token. 20 is a constant, which is the ninth token. Then comma is again a separator, which is the 10th token. B is identifier, that is 11th token. Then again assignment operator, so again it will be the 12th token. 30 is a constant, so this is again token number 13. Then semicolon, again a separator, which is a token. So till now 14 tokens have been generated. Then if is a keyword, again this is your separator. Then a is a identifier. Then this is relational operator. Then this is identifier, and this is again a separator. So till now we have 20 uh, you know tokens. Then return is a keyword, then this is a separator, then b is again identifier, then this is again your separator, then semicolon is a separator, else will come into the keywords. Then again a new token, return is again a keyword, and then this is separator, then again identifier, then separator, then semicolon, and then again a separator. So what we have to do is we have to scan the whole code from left to right, and we have to see it will come under which category, and accordingly we will generate tokens out of it. So here the total number of tokens is 32. So if this question comes in your exam, you have to, you can use two colors. In one color you have written the code, and the other color you can simply, I mark it, so that you don't do any mistake. So this will be easy. And if the examiner will also see how you have represented the token, it will give a good impression instead of directly writing the token. So some of the students, if they want to, write the token, they can simply get the answer from here and there, and they can simply write the answer instead of categorizing the tokens. So obviously it will not create a good impression, and it seems like as you have copied some from where. So better is you generate the code in this way as tokens, and also be careful that comments will not be considered into your tokens. Now let's take the second example. Now in this example, what we need to do is, this is the gate question. So this is the code that is given, and you have to identify the number of tokens. Printf is a keyword of the given language, that is C language. In C++, the same keyword is replaced by cout. So this is the keyword, token number one. Then separator, token number two. Then be careful about this. If you have any printf statement, that this double quotes, whatever is there in the double quote is a single identifier only, because this is the part of your printing statement. So this complete will be treated as a single token. So this is token number 3. Then comma is a separator, token number 4. I is identifier, then comma again a separator. Then I told you that there are special symbols, that is different special symbols are there that we have studied in the previous video. So ampersand is also a special symbol. I is again identifier, and then a separator as a bracket, and then semicolon. So if you count it from here to till end, from left to right, the total number of tokens generated are 10. So this way you can write. And your finite automata that you have studied in theory of automata and computation, that is DFA or NFA, is used for defining the tokens only. This is the application of your DFA and NFA. Now let's do some more questions on your lexical analysis, token generation. Now in this case also see, As I've told you, the first phase is only going to generate the tokens. In the next phase, that is the syntax analyzer, we are going to identify if there is some error or not. As you can see here, this is an error, but the first phase is not bothered about the errors. It is just going to generate the tokens, and the next phase will identify whether there is some grammatical error or not, or you can say syntax error is there or not. Now here, integer is a keyword, first token, main is again a keyword. Then these are the separators. So these are also under the tokens. So token number 3 and 4. Then see, this is code is incorrect. As you can see, initially this bracket should come here and this should come here, because this is ending bracket, this is starting bracket. So they should be interchanged, but they are incorrect. But as I've told you, token in tokenization, we are just bothered about, generating the tokens. So this is the fifth token. X is identifier. I'm just telling you the type of the token, and you can see the number which is showing that this is a token. So this is identifier. Then we have assignment operator, then again identifier, then addition operator, then identifier, and then semicolon. So till now 11 tokens have been generated. Then again, this is your keyword of the language, then identifier or variable X, then comma is a separator, Y is again identifier, then comma is separator, Z is identifier, and semicolon is again a separator. Printf is your function, means you can say keyword used in C language. So again a token. Then as I have told you, this is a separator 20, and anything written in the semicolon will be treated as one token only. And then comma again a separator, and then next identifier, then a separator, and then again a separator, and in that again we are having a separator. So the total number of tokens that are generated are 26. Now there are few more examples. I would like you to understand it yourself. I'll just show the question to you, and better you solve it and try to understand. If you have any issues, you can just put it into the comment. So the next word is this. You can see this. Just have a look on this and try to find out. After this is another piece of code. So I'm just showing you this question, and I have also written the number of tokens here, and I have also categorized the different parts of your code into different tokens, so you can understand it better with the explanation that I have already given you. Now one more example. In case of any problem, if you have related to your, you know, generation of tokens or the total number of tokens in the given code, you can just put a comment. And this is very very important question as far as your exam is concerned, and this is also important for your competition exam.